Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a fun game for you, and it's called Basket Shootout. Make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere.
We sure did.
For this activity, you're going to need a few household items, which include 2 baskets, 1 broomstick, some ribbon or string. You're going to use a luggage. If you guys have a box, a tall box that you can stand on both sides. We're going to use about 20 sock balls, but if you guys have about 10 or anything of that sort, those are the only things you're going to need for this activity. So this is the design for the activity. We got our broomstick, we got our 2 baskets, we got some string, we have a luggage. If you guys have a box, you can definitely use that as well. This just kind of holds up the baskets off the ground. I'm going to start on this side over here. What I'm going to have to do is toss my sock balls into the baskets, ensuring that the stick does not fall. So I'm going to have to go side to side. I'm going to be tossing it with my right hand. If you want to do this with your non-dominant hand, it's always another challenge. And once I have completed all of my 10 sock balls on this side, I'm going to have to run to the other side, and I have 10 more sock balls, which I'm going to have to go in and make those in as well. This will be timed, so the fastest time that I get, I'm going to have Jordan try to beat that time as well. 3, 2, 1, go. Reminder, if you miss it, it's fine. Just pick it up, run back, and keep going. So again, you got to go side to side. Here's the one. Stop, run to the other side. We got 10 more sock balls over here, and then I am done. Time is up. That course took me 32 seconds to finish. 2, 1, go. On the other side, he has his last 10. Time, 28 seconds. Jordan wins this activity. Level 2 challenge. And 3, 2, 1, go. Here, 10 shots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. All right, time 1:05. 1 minute and 5 seconds to complete this course for level 2. Jordan, you're up next. 3, 2, 1, go. And squats. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next 10 shots. Time. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of Basket Shootout. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.